Hi, Alexander here from CryptoCoin Express. Continuing our previous video, we're going to be discussing in detail about copy trading and the strategy to properly use and utilize it. As you may know that we still require analysis so we can measure our risk. There is several things that you may have to notice and choose carefully as it is pretty important for a profitable outcome of your trades with Bitget copy trading. As you can see, we can see so many traders here is displayed and you can follow who you desire to follow. But here is the tricky part, not all of them traders can bring profit but instead they can bring you losses. You must know that there is things you should pay attention. All the ROI, total P&L, and copier P&L must be in the greens as that indicate the traders is doing good and can really be profitable for you. That are main indicator that you must know. You should question yourself, can this be profitable for my portfolio? Actually the copier's P&L are collection of profits that the followers are getting. If it is minus then all the followers are currently in the losses, but if the trader is on plus means only the traders are making money. Simple as that. Moving on to my strategy which consists of risk ratio calculation. Here you can see stop loss and take profit. Please do at least 1/2 risk ratio. Example, you lose the money if hit stop loss but triple the money if hits take profit. So you have a residual if hit stop loss again next. Also always use 10% balance maximum for all open positions. It really is important. Me personally will do also follow their leverage. We can adjust with our open position margin to keep the trade safe. Before we proceed to the next one, for anyone still do not know, you can access copy trading by sign in and then go to copy and select each of it, and choose who you want to follow. Also here is some results I am gaining from Bitget copy trading. So here are the tips for anyone who wants to use Bitget copy trading. Then how about who want to be the trader? You certainly can. You can become Bitget Elite Trader by visiting the website page, and then read all the rules here. Make sure that you do not have current open positions so the application can be approved. Also many rules there you can check on the site. And that is all. Do not hesitate to use Bitget as their site is pretty secure and Bitget is one of the best exchange currently. Sign up and let's join the band of copy traders. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Alexander signing out.